Okay guys, we continue. Last time when we looked at the matrices, we looked at how to add and subtract matrices. So today we are going to look at multiplication, on how to multiply matrix by a scalar and a matrix by another matrix. So we'll first look at what a scalar is. Okay, so a scalar is a quantity that has a size only. So, for example, if we have 2 multiplied by 1, multiplied by 0, 1, 2, 3. So, what is a scalar in this matrix? So, we are saying a scalar, this number which is in front of this matrix is a scalar. So, we are saying a scalar is a number that has the quantity only or size only, that is a scalar. So, we are looking at how to multiply a scalar by a matrix. So, example, find the value of 1/2, then 20, 25, 14, -10. Okay. So, find the value of half multiplied by this matrix. So, we are multiplying this scalar by this matrix. So, it's just to multiply this number outside, which is a scalar, by each number in this matrix. So, this is half multiplied by 20, 14, then 25, 10. So, if we are to state the order of this matrix, we'll say this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then we are multiplying a scalar by a 2 by 2 matrix. This will give us the result of 1 multiplied by, or half multiplied by 20, half multiplied by 14, half multiplied by 25, and half multiplied by -10. So we are multiplying a scalar by each number in the matrix. This will give us half multiplied by 20, it will be 10. Then half multiplied by 25, it will be 1 or 25/2. Then half multiplied by 14, it will be 7. Then half multiplied by -10, it will be -5. It means we have multiplied a scalar by a matrix. So if we combine what we did previously and this, we'll get an example of let's say find the value of or say if A is equal to 1, 0, -1, -2, and matrix B, and matrix B is equal to 4, -3, -4, and -6. Then we are given a question to say find the value of A minus 2B. So if we were to work out this question, there is a combination of addition and multiplication, which is multiplying a matrix by a scalar. So we'll start with matrix A, since the question is starting with A minus 2B. So we'll start with matrix A, which is 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, minus 2, which is a scalar, then open bracket, 2, negative 4, negative 3, negative 6. So this 2 is a scalar. We are multiplying this 2 with the number in matrix B. So this will be matrix A, which is 0, which is 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, minus, then we multiply this number, which is a scalar, by what is in matrix B. This will be 4, negative 3, or negative 6, sorry, negative 6, then 2 multiplied by 4, it will be negative 8, 2 multiplied by negative 6, it will be negative 12. So since we have multiplied this scalar by a matrix, now we can subtract. So the result will be 1 minus 4, then negative 1, negative 1 minus negative 6, negative 6, then 0, 0, minus negative 8. So negative 8, then negative 2 minus negative 12. So it will be negative 2 minus negative 12, like that. So this will give us 1 minus 4, it will be negative 3. Then negative 1 minus 6, here it will give us a positive. So it will be negative 1 plus 6, which will give us positive 5. Then 0 minus 8, it will be positive 8. Then negative 2 minus 12. So this will be negative 2 plus 12. This will give us positive 10, because here it will be negative times negative positive. Then it will be negative 2 plus 12, which will give us positive 10. So this will be our answer.